Hello, good afternoon everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again in another assignment video. So today, in this opportunity, I'm Raditiyo Mirza Afiansyah, as always, in my own channel, of course. Today, I want to review my friend's essay text. His name is Rizky Aditya Mulyono, my boy, my man. Here you go. I will review his text. So yeah, here we already have Rizky Aditya Mulyono's text. Essay text actually. Here is the essay text of Rizky entitled The Impact of COVID-19 on Education Around the World. First of all, I won't read the whole text because I already read the text this afternoon. So I will review and maybe correct some mistakes that he already made. So first of all, here is the title, The Impact of COVID-19 on Education Around the World. Firstly, we have already know that must capitalize every beginning of the word, but except conjunction. So here is the correct one. The impact of COVID, the of course capital because this is the beginning of the sentence, and then I of impact of is not capital because it is a conjunction. COVID because it is the name of event, and then yeah, he already wrote it correctly, so no problem. On education, E is capital, and then around, the A of around, and then the W of world. Right. In the last few months, the world has been overwhelmed by the pandemic coronavirus. In my opinion, it's grammatically a little bit incorrect because it has to be coronavirus pandemic, or in like the title, coronavirus pandemic or COVID-19, the name of disease, yes, COVID-19 pandemic. So either this one or the COVID-19 one is R is correct. As the number of increasing documented cases, no problem. And then this one, the COVID-19 pandemic, back as well as the title, and then here COVID, the name of event, the disease. So the C of the COVID has to be the capital letter. There you go. The pandemic is first and foremost a health crisis. Okay. Alright, and then the short term. Well, the short term using dash, of course. The long term one also using dash, and then boom, it's correct. Right. This is the introduction paragraph, and then this is the body of the essay text. I don't found any mistakes or here you go. Furthermore, parents who are employed as healthcare professionals or frontline workers are forced to either find childcare or take off work, as well as long-term and short-term. This frontline is like I don't know what to say. I mean, frontline is a one word actually, so it has to be dash also here. And then yeah, all the problem. And then the recent years is the conclusion. The recent years' educational experience has been quite out of the ordinary. The sudden global pandemic has pushed nearly every industry to adjust, with the education industry being no exception. Throughout the year, there's been a lot of movement towards technology that will likely reshape our relationship and reliance on communication platforms, especially if some schools remain closed in the new semester. Students around the world have been thrown for a loop, trying to not only adapt to the digital classroom but excel in an online environment. Although the switch to online courses was a bumpy one, both students and teachers have shown a great magnitude of resilience and perseverance as the education system navigates the new normal together. This is Rizky's text. I would say this is a great essay text about the COVID that still exists until right now. So I appreciate this, Pak Rizky. Great text. I give a thumbs up for you. So yeah, that's the short video. I reviewing and correct the mistakes of Rizky Aditya Mulyono's text, essay text about the coronavirus pandemic impacts the education around the world. So personally, I want to say sorry. Maybe I made a mistake also. And then if you guys have different opinion, it's totally fine. We can, or you can give the comments here and down below. I'm Raditiyo Mirza. See you on the next assignment video and goodbye. And good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.